Okay, I am about to get into the timing belt. I've removed the dipstick, the heat shielding. I'm going to take the EGR pipe out as well. And yeah, here we go. As I'm getting into this, I am confident this timing belt has been changed fairly recently, actually, because that paint and the orange paint, those are fairly recent and fresh, but it's going to get a new one anyway, along with a new water pump. So a little catch up on what's going on here. This pulley hub, and more importantly the bolt that attaches it to the crank snout, I can't get it off without some sort of wrench. I saw someone make one on another YouTube channel, and I thought I would give it a try with some extra angle iron I had laying around. So this 1 inch is going to be my handle, and I had this 2 inch available. I cut out an area. Hopefully the socket will fit, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. All right, I do believe it worked. I had to notch my handle for the socket to fit, but that's what grinders are for, right? And I do believe it is working. So the distance, at least on mine, there are only 2 bolt holes in this hub on mine. Folks that I've seen on YouTube who had 3 bolt holes, I believe that they did not have a serpentine ribbed belt, but rather a V belt. So mine, with the serpentine ribbed belt, has only 2 holes, and the distance between center hole and center hole, as I measured it, was 0.935 inches. Not 1.395. 1.395, sorry. It's really hot here today. But yeah, this did work, and on to the next step. All right, that did work. I was a little concerned that maybe mine was a reverse thread when I couldn't get it loose, but as it turns out, it is a normal threaded, which means counterclockwise loosens the nut, clockwise tightens. That might be helpful to some people, I don't know. And just to further explain why I'm convinced this had been done recently before it was shipped, is the lining marks for the crank and the crank pulley wheel have also been painted recently. So it probably is a fairly new belt, but I'm going to replace it since I'm in here.